Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a large Z Gallery inspired gold and silver wall decor piece for only a few dollars. These pieces you see here are beautiful but retail for upwards of hundreds of dollars, so definitely not affordable for the budget conscious. However, you will see soon that I will create similar artwork for a fraction of the cost that will look absolutely stunning on any wall in your house. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, we will need a cardboard backing or cut to size piece of white foam board. The backing that I will be using is actually one of the cardboard panels that came with the frame that was gifted to me years ago by a longtime friend. To give the cardboard backing a more of a canvas look, we will need some white contact paper. And to create a mat, we will also be using some silver glitter contact paper. And finally, we will need 3 placemats. Here I have selected 2 round silver ones and 1 round gold one. And to help us with today's craft project, we will need some clear tacky glue. To start, we will need to cut to size a piece of white contact paper to cover the entire piece of cardboard backing. The benefit of using contact paper is that it is so forgiving. If you are not satisfied with the placement of the paper, you can easily remove it from the cardboard backing and reapply it until you are satisfied. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Next, cut to size 2 or 4 strips of silver glitter contact paper. For my mat, I will be applying only 2 strips, one across the top and one across the bottom. If you prefer to have a more traditional mat, you can apply 4 strips to frame the entire art piece. The strips I have is cut to about 1.5 inches wide. Next, position the 3 placemats onto the cardboard backing that we just covered. When you are satisfied with the design and positioning of the placemats, it's time to turn each upside down to apply the clear tacky glue to the back. This is the most tedious part of the project, so I would recommend to grab your favorite beverage and some tunes while you work on this part. Once all the three placemats are adhered, you may want to leave it overnight with something heavy sitting on top so that the glue can dry and secure the three placemats into place. Okay, so we are in the next day now, and the placemats are fully dry and secured into place. So now I'm sliding the art piece into the frame. You will see here it is a thin frame in gold, but if you have a silver frame, that would look just as beautiful for this art piece. Careful when sliding in the glass panel to ensure that it does not accidentally scratch the placemats off. Once the glass is in place, turn the frame upside down to ensure that the framing is secured into place. Comment down below and let me know how did I do with the Z Gallery inspired wall art. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.